Hi guys, guess what time it is? It is time to pack and prep for my 2-week trip to Europe. Okay, so I already got my eyebrows threaded yesterday, so they feel really nice and clean. And now I'm gonna go do my nails. I have not had acrylics on my nails in like 3 weeks, and to me that like feels like forever. I think I'm just gonna do some white with chrome on it, something basic. I think I'm gonna be wearing sandals like the whole time pretty much, so my dogs will be out literally the entire trip. So I need my toes to be looking good. So I'm gonna go to the nail salon right now. This is the current state of my nails. Here they are now. Look how cute these are. And my toes look so much cleaner, but I'm not gonna show you those. So I'm supposed to start packing today, but I really don't want to. I'll probably come back and show you guys all the clothes that I'm packing first. Hi guys, it is now the day before my flight, and I'm not gonna lie, I did not pack at all yesterday. So today I'm gonna have to pack everything for 2 weeks. But right now I'm gonna go to Target because I need to pick up some travel size skincare and like shampoo and conditioner and all that kind of stuff, and kind of whatever else I see in there that I think I might want or need. Yeah, I'll do a haul for you guys when I come back. Here's my haul for today. The first thing I got is this anti-dandruff shampoo. I don't know how to say the brand name. I already tried this one, but I'm running out, so I got another one. And this is the only anti-dandruff shampoo that I found actually like works for me. And then I also got this like little travel squeeze container to put this into because this is 3 ounces, I believe. I also got the mini CeraVe lotion. My moisturizer is also too big for me to take, so I got the travel size CeraVe one. I've never tried this before, but I'm hoping that it'll work out and not break me out. I got the mini Kristen S dry shampoo. I also already have this one, but like the big one, so I needed a smaller one. And this dry shampoo actually smells so good, and it works pretty well too. This mini was like $5. Like, I guess it's really small, but like I feel like you don't use it like that often. Last but not least, I got the Sachu, I also don't know how to say that brand name, lip stain. I have seen this on TikTok so many times, and I've put off buying it for like the last like 2 years, it feels like, but I got it in the shade Pinked. There was like a shade called like Mauve or something like that that I kind of wanted, but they were out of that, so I'm hoping that this color will be okay. It's like they say it's rosy pink, but it's kind of like reddish browner. I'm hoping that everyone on TikTok didn't lie and this actually stays. Now it's time to actually pack, so I'm going to show you guys what I have so far that I'm thinking about packing. I have this polka dot top that I think is cute, but like the bottom isn't actually super flowy, and so I feel like it like isn't super flattering, but it's so Europe. So I don't really know what to do. This is like a maybe if I have extra space. And then this brown top from Addicted. Trust me, I will be out in Europe. This top is just so cute, and it's not too like skimpy, so I really like this one. And then I have this Princess Polly top. This is an absolute must. I am definitely bringing this. It's just a classic. I always wear this. And then I have this dress also from Princess Polly. It's yellower than it looks on screen. I think this is a cute sundress, and I did want to bring some dresses just because it makes the outfit so much easier because you don't have to like get tops and a bottom, you can just have the dress. And then I have this bodysuit from Amazon. It is super flattering, like it makes me look really snatched, but because it makes me look super snatched though, it's like super tight, so it's not like really comfortable. I don't know if I want to like do a whole day in Europe wearing this. I'm gonna put this in the maybe. I just got this top from Brandy. Ever since Brandy released this color, I've been wanting to get a top in this color for so long, and I haven't really found one I liked until now, and this one is really soft. But I think this is a yes. I really like this color. And then I just got this top from Shein. I think this is cute. I bought a lot of stuff from Shein for this trip. I want to put everything that I bought in the maybe pile because I want to try them on before I decide whether or not I'm actually bringing it. So this is a maybe. And then Motel Rock sent me this top. It's like got these like buttons and like lace. I think this is really cute. I specifically chose this one for this trip, and I think it's really cute. The material is like not stretchy at all, so it was kind of hard for me to get out of. This is a yes, I'm bringing this. And I tried it on already, and it was really cute. And then this is from Addicted. I really like this teal color, and I think the sequins are really cute for summer, but I also have this yellow top, which is literally the same thing. It's also from Addicted, and it's literally the same thing, but it's like slightly different because it's like pleated here instead of the sequins and stuff. And this one's yellow. I'm bringing so much yellow already, like I don't know if I need another one, but I think this one is cuter for everyday wear than the teal one. So I'm not really sure which one I want to bring. I'm trying to think how I'd style this teal one. I think I should bring the yellow. Okay, they're both going in the maybe. I don't know. I have this top. I have this top from Cider. See, this one's also yellow, and it has like lace details. I've worn this before, it's really cute. The only thing is this cut makes my arms look kind of big. Maybe I'll leave this one here and I'll bring the Addicted one. That's what we're gonna do for now, and then I'll see. And then this one is also from Shein. I actually don't really know how you're supposed to wear it. It's like it's like asymmetrical, like this. And I just think these colors are really cute. So this is a maybe. because also I haven't tried it on yet. And then I have this top from Princess Polly. This is one of my favorite tops. This is definitely a bring. It's also light yellow, which is why I don't want to bring so much light yellow stuff, but I love baby doll tops and it just fits really nice. And then I bought this halter dress from Shein. I really love this print. I've had my eye on this one for so long. This is a maybe just because I haven't tried it on yet, but I think it's cute. There's this top from Brandy. Again, I love baby doll tops, but I put it on yesterday and it wasn't as flattering as I'd like. And I have a black one that has like sleeves and I think that's cuter. So I think this is gonna be a no. And then I'm gonna pack the black one with sleeves instead. And then I got this top from Princess Polly. It's also like asymmetrical and this top is so cute. Like, I absolutely love this color. I don't really actually have anything this color and I've been looking for a silk top for Europe for so long and this is perfect. So this is definitely a yes. My sister and I thrifted this top because like I said, we were looking for a silk top, but again, the way that the straps are, I feel like make my arms look big. So I don't really know. This is a maybe. I need to try this on with multiple outfits and see if I actually like it. This top is like really confusing, but it's like a halter neck and then it's like a bikini top almost. This looks weird. I feel like something's messed up. Like something looks wrong with it. So I need to figure that out first. Okay, and then I have a few swimsuits because I think in some countries we're gonna try and go to the lake or maybe even like just the hotel pool. So I bought this one piece from Shein. It's a halter top. And I just really like this print and I really wanted a one piece with like gold pieces inside. So I think this is cute, but it's also not adjustable. So low-key, if this doesn't fit me well, like I can't really bring it. So this is also a maybe. My boyfriend got me this set from Frankie's Bikinis and it's like strapless. So it's kind of hard to like wear because I have nothing here. So it doesn't really stay up that well. But I think it's really cute for pictures at least. So this is a yes. And I've already tried it on and I like it. So this is a yes. I just bought this bikini from Shein too. I'm super excited for this one because look how cute this pattern is. And I've been wanting one with these thicker straps for literally so long. I've been eyeing this one as well. And I'm really glad that I got it because it is so cute. And then these are the bottoms. They also have the thick straps. It's only gonna go in the maybe pile because I haven't tried it on yet. I still need to figure out my bottoms. But right now I feel like I have a lot of maybes. So I'm gonna go try on all of these and actually decide which I want to bring, and then I'm gonna go look for my bottoms. Now I have all my bottoms. This skirt is from Amazon. I love it because it has shorts in it and I hate wearing skirts that don't have built-in shorts, so this is perfect. I wanted to bring two different white skirts. Like this one's literally just a plain skirt. This is also from Amazon. I have this like straight basic one and then I have like a layered ruffle one. And then I'm also bringing this black like pinstripe skirt from Brandy. I love this skirt. It also has built-in shorts and I feel like it would be cute for like both going out and like just a regular day. Then I have these shorts from Brandy. They're like linen striped shorts. These ones just fit super well and I think they're very Euro summer. I'm also bringing this denim skirt from Garage. It also has built-in shorts. It just fits really well and I think it'd be cute. I have these shorts from Addicted. I really like light wash shorts, so I love these and they're like the perfect length. Last but not least, I have these blue jeans. I know it's gonna be super hot in Europe, but it's like kind of cooler in Warsaw, which is the first place I'm going, and it's like low-key raining and stuff. So I feel like I should just bring a pair of jeans just in case, and then I'll just like wear them on the plane and the trains and stuff so that it doesn't take up too much space. And then for pajamas, I have 3 shorts. They're all from Brandy. It's like these like boxer kind of shorts and I have them in the pink stripes and these blue stripes. This one's a little bit looser. It's not like the exact, I don't think it's the exact same design as the pink ones. And then also these shorts, these are like polka dots. These Brandy shorts are just so soft and comfortable and they're super small, so they won't take up that much space in my luggage. And then this top from Brandy, I have worn this so many times for the last like 5 years. It is so soft now because it is just so worn out. And then as my other sleep shirt, I have this oversized one that I got from like a tourist shop in New York. I wanted to bring one of each, so I had a tank top and a shirt to sleep in. And then also this striped satin pajama set. Not gonna lie, half the reason I'm bringing this is if I want to film a get ready with me in my pajamas, at least it'll be cute. And then just some extra stuff. I have 2 cover-ups I'm gonna bring. I have this one from Addicted. It's like gold and it's like asymmetrical and it has like a sleeve on one side. So many of the posts on my Pinterest board for my Europe outfits have this, so I'm just gonna take this as well. And then I have another poncho in pink. This is from Shein and I just think that this would be really cute on the days that we go to like the lake or something, or even honestly just a normal day. Like, I love pink. I think it's really cute on as well. Okay guys, as you can probably tell, I bummed around all day, so it is now 9 o'clock. I have only packed my clothes so far, but all my clothes fit in one packing cube, so I'm gonna take that as a win. I still have to pack all of my makeup and toiletries and all my extra stuff like my passport and all my chargers. All my electronics need to be packed. I'm hoping I have enough space for all of this. I kind of want to put on like a little bit of makeup for the plane though, so I don't know if I should pack my makeup now. Or wait, what I'm gonna do is pack the makeup that I'm gonna be using for the trip, and then tomorrow I'll just do my makeup with whatever products I have. because I don't want to go like too heavy since I'm going to be on a plane for like 14 hours. I guess I'll pack my makeup right now, so I'm going to show you guys what I'm packing. Okay, I'm going to start with all of my liquids and aerosol products. I think this bag is from Amazon. My mom got it for me, and I've been using this for the last like 6 years of traveling. First is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm just hoping it doesn't leak because that's the problem with my House Labs one, and that's why I'm not bringing that one. All of that is from my House Labs foundation exploding. I usually do this in the same order that I do my makeup routine just so I like remember everything. And then I have this Say Blush in Chili. And then for concealer, I have 2 options, but I think I'm gonna go with the Tower 28 one. This is in shade Light Peach. It's just that this one's newer and I'm scared that the NARS one is gonna run out. And then I have the One Size setting spray. Obviously, I'm not bringing this big can. This is the only thing that like actually makes my makeup stay. But I'm gonna buy a mini one when I get to Europe because I was too lazy to go to Sephora today. For lips, I'm gonna bring the Rhode Peptide Treatment. This is in shade Ribbon. I've only tried my sister's, but I like it so far and I just bought this, so I'll bring that too. Why is that all the liquids I have? I'm also gonna bring a Summer Fridays. I just don't have the shade that I want right now, so I'm gonna grab that later. And then for skincare, I have the CeraVe Mini Moisturizer. This is the one that I just bought from Target. And then this is the Mini Kristen S Dry Shampoo that I also just bought. And then I have to put my dandruff shampoo into this bottle, so I'm gonna go do that real quick. Okay, I've filled my squeeze bottle to the brim. I use a lot of this stuff, so I needed to fill the entire thing. And then for sunscreen, I'm gonna bring this Innisfree sunscreen. It's silicone based, and all my foundations are silicone based, so it just blends really well and won't pill with my makeup. And then mini toothpaste. I'm gonna put my toothbrush in here because I don't think it's gonna fit in my makeup bag. Same thing with this pharmacy cleanser. I actually don't know if there's anything left. I don't have another travel size cleanser, so this is gonna have to do. Here's my bag of liquids. I made sure that there's still space left for my mini One Size setting spray. Now we're gonna put all of my makeup and stuff in this bag. For bronzer, I have the Rare Beauty bronzing stick. This is in shade Full of Life. This is my favorite bronzer ever. It is so creamy and it blends out so good. Next is this powder bronzer from Makeup by Mario. This is in shade Medium Dark. I just really like the color of this one. And then for blush, I have this Say powder blush in Stella. It has like glitter mixed into it, so it still gives you like that shimmery glow. I don't even need highlighter on my cheeks. I just use this blush. And then speaking of highlighter, I use the Rare Beauty powder highlighter in shade Mesmerize. The only thing about this is I low-key broke it. So it's kind of like, oh wait, nothing's moving around in there. So I just hope it doesn't break anymore. Then I'm gonna bring the Huda Beauty lip stain. This is in shade Warm Brown. And then I'm also gonna bring the Sachu lip liner. I don't know how to say the name. That I just bought from Target. It's a little bit red, but I want to have a choice between brown and red, and sometimes the Huda Beauty one like dries out. I forgot about my brow glue. This is the NYX brow glue. It's just clear. And then I'm bringing my Huda Beauty Easy Bake powder. This is in shade Pound Cake. This literally blurs your skin. This is my favorite. And then I'm gonna pack 2 powder puffs and 1 beauty blender. And then I have this eyeshadow palette from Morphe. I think it's Morphe, and it's in Love Bite. I only use one color from here, but this is what I use to do my brows, so I have to bring this. Then I have this black eyeliner from Stila? I'm not really sure. But I'm also gonna bring this brown eyeliner. It's a Japanese brand, and this one's like brown. I want to like be able to decide if I want brown or black, so I'm just gonna bring both. They're very small. Now I'm gonna pack all of my brushes. I got this whole set in like a Fukubukuro bag at Ala Moana in Hawaii for New Year's, and it gave me like this thing that you can like roll up, so it's super compact. I love this thing. So I just put all my brushes in here, and then I just roll it up, and then it has this like string thing that you can use to tie it, and then all my brushes literally fit in here. But I think that's it for makeup and skincare and all of that, so I think I'm gonna do all of my accessories next. Okay, I've packed all my jewelry in here, so I have a bunch of necklaces, and I just got a bunch of rings on Amazon, so I put some of those in here. And then I think I'm just gonna wear my earrings on the plane because I didn't really have enough space for that in here. And then also I just wore all my bracelets to sleep anyways. So I already packed this up, but there are 3 sunglasses in here. I have ones that are shaped like this, but it's in like a dark brown tortoise shell color. And then I have ones that are almost exactly the same in a dark brown, except they're less round and more like pointed at the ends. And then I also have like slightly bigger sunglasses. And I have this brown belt from Addicted. I just think this color is really nice. I'm also gonna bring this gold chain belt. I don't really know if I'm gonna end up wearing it, but I feel like this could also be a cute addition. And then for my hair, I have 2 white headbands. I have one solid one and then one cloth one. I also don't know if I'm gonna end up wearing these, but I feel like I should just bring it just in case. And then I need to figure out what bags I'm bringing, but right now I'm debating between these 3. I have this fake Prada bag. I'll probably take off the Sunny Angel and maybe replace it with a keychain that matches my outfits more. This is the only bag that I know of right now that fits the vlog camera that I'm using, but I really love this brown purse from Shein. It's kind of small. I don't think it's gonna fit the vlog camera, and like again, I really need it to fit the vlog camera, but I feel like it would add so much to the outfit. Like, it's so cute. And then I have almost the exact same thing but in black. This one is also from Shein, and I love that all of them either zip or button closed, just to like stop the pickpocketers. But I'm gonna see if this camera fits in any of them, and then that's how I'm gonna decide which ones I'm gonna bring. I'm gonna pack my other bag now. I already put my laptop in here. I'm bringing this because I want to be able to edit my videos while I'm there and not like have to do all of them after the trip. And then I have the Alex Earl light. Look how bright that is. It's blinding me. And then I forgot to bring it downstairs, but I have a little bag. It's like this big that fits all of my microphones and like all the cords and the receiver that goes with it. I also have my adapter. This is for my vlogging camera to my computer or my phone. And then in this bag, I have like 3 adapters that convert like the normal American plug to the European outlets. I don't know why they're different. It makes it so much harder, but I have a few of those in here. I have my passport and my AirPods for the flight. And then I have a little Ziploc of all the rest of my melatonin gummies that I have. I want to take this on the plane because it's 14 hours and I want to be able to sleep. And then I also brought it just in case I need help adjusting to the jet lag. It is now the moment of truth to see if I can fit everything in this suitcase, which already barely fits the measurement requirement, so I can't expand it or anything. I was able to fit everything that I showed you earlier in here, and then I also put one of my purses in here that's filled with all my accessories. We're gonna start by just filling this side with my one giant bag of clothes, and then I should be able to fit my makeup brushes in here. I'm also gonna have to remember that I'm gonna need space for a curling iron because I guess the voltage is different in Europe, so the ones that I have won't work there. So I'm gonna need to buy another one, and it's either gonna have to be really small or, I don't know, I'm gonna make my boyfriend take it. And then on this side, I'm gonna put both of my makeup bags, and then this is all my socks and bras and all that stuff. Why do I have so much space? This is like more space than I have when I'm packing for a 3-day trip. I also just have this purse, but I'm just gonna shove it in here. And then, I don't know if you can see, but I have extra space down here. And I'm gonna put my sneakers in there. I'm bringing these Miami Croc sandals that I just bought, but I'm gonna wear these on the plane. And I have pink and green platform gazelles that I'm gonna bring, and that's what's gonna fit in that extra space there. But for now, I think we're done. I really don't have anything else to pack except for the camera and my shoes. I'm probably gonna finish up all my packing tomorrow, so I'll see you guys then. Okay guys, it is the morning of my flight and I am all packed, but I think my bag and my suitcase are both over the weight limit. So I'm gonna try and figure out how I can fix that. But thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.